Your Excellency, Uhuru Kenyatta, President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, William Ruto, Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Madam Ruto, all the protocols are observed. I don't know whether it is still morning. Yes, it is still. Good morning to all of you. I am happy, and it is a privilege to me to have been invited yesterday by my brother to attend this national prayer breakfast. I thought I would have gone after other things since morning, because I did not come for more days in Kenya. What I want to say is just very simple. What you are doing is something to heal Kenya from all the wounds that you have afflicted on yourselves. And I want you also to pass the same message to your neighbors. South Sudan is one of them. You know that we are fighting in South Sudan up to now among ourselves. And what are we fighting for? Power. That I want to become the president, I want to become the president. And the result is that innocent lives have been lost. I want to beg you that the initiative that the president took here to bring you together should also go far to reach us also in South Sudan. We are one people. Like my brother who was telling us the story that happened to him in Juba. If he walks on the streets of Juba, nobody will deny that this is a South Sudanese. And in West Pokot, when we were fighting during the liberation struggle, I used to live there. And so when I meet with them, they will greet me with their own language, thinking that I'm one of them. So I want to congratulate all of you for this initiative that you have taken, and that you are talking very frankly, confessing to yourselves. Today in Juba, there is national dialogue, which I initiated to 2015. And when I started to address the people, it was seen as if it was just a matter of avoiding the implementation of the peace agreement which was signed in August 2015. But now, the message has gone down to the bombers, to the PAMs, to the counties, and people are now seeing why I call for the national dialogue. I hope it will end just like the way you are going to end this New Down program. And that is the way forward. I consider Kenya as my second home. And I always think that, my children who were born here should be given everything. So, what I want to tell you, Mr. President, is that you are on the right path. And you move on without any hesitation. Bring your people together. When you are seen to be united in Kenya, other people will take the same example. And after a very short time, the region of Eastern Africa will become one. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.